This is how to make spicy bang bang chicken. I figured out how to bake the chicken so the breadcrumbs stay crispy without being overly dry, whilst getting juicy chicken every time. And when it's dipped into that spicy sauce, it just takes it to another level. Start by seasoning chicken breasts with salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika and sriracha hot sauce. Mix and marinate for at least 1 hour. I cut the chicken into quite large chunks so they don't dry out when baking. Next, season dry panko style breadcrumbs with celery salt, white and black pepper and paprika, then add olive or vegetable oil. The oil is important for helping your breadcrumbs crisp up in the oven without drying the crumbs out. Then prepare your wet batter. Add salt, white pepper and garlic powder to yogurt. You can use buttermilk instead, but I prefer to use yogurt and thin it out with pickle juice, which is tastier. Add a beaten egg and extra pickle juice as needed if you're using yogurt until you have a runny consistency similar to buttermilk. Then lightly coat your chicken in plain flour, shaking off the excess. Throw your chicken into your wet batter, again shaking off the excess, and throw your chicken into your breadcrumbs. Make sure all sides are well coated before placing on a tray lined with a baking sheet, and bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes or until crispy, golden and cooked through. For your bang bang dipping sauce, add honey and sriracha hot sauce to some mayo along with garlic powder and white pepper. Mix, taste and adjust the sauce to your taste as needed. I like mine to have a thinner consistency so I can drizzle it all over my crispy baked chicken. Garnish with spring onion and some dried chili flakes if you want an extra spicy kick, and that's all there is to it. I was honestly really happy with how these came out. Crispy, juicy and a fraction of the calories when baking the chicken compared to frying. And if you enjoyed the recipe, please like, subscribe, click that notification bell and thanks for watching.